Hey guys, we're here at Naiya Terminal Airport because we will be having our first ever international trip together. And it's actually my first international trip ever, vibes. Saan tayo pupunta? Vietnam! We're going to Vietnam, everybody.
Sakit ng ano ko.
Ano?
Singaw ko.
Tingin niya. We're going to Vietnam kasi nilibre niya ako ng flight to Ho Chi Minh to celebrate my birthday. My birthday is tomorrow. Ah! Birthday bash. Birthday bash.
Oh, bash.
Birthday bash. What the fuck? Birthday bash. Birthday bash. So I'm turning 21. Can you do some for me? Nakaka-excite pala. But like, nakakatakot din siya kasi I don't know what's oh, gaga, may muta-muta pa. Wait, kind of muggy today. Guys, got the goods. Guys, so we're eating. We're about to eat because I'm so hungry. Like as in, hungry vibes. Kung gutom pala dito sa immigration. We're boarding. Carl Jenkins. Wearing black today. Puma bag. Guys, we're in Ho Chi Minh City and we're going to our first agenda. Nandito na kami, kagabi pa. Mahirap pala kasi you really can't understand them, even the money. Tinuruan pa kami kanina ng lola dito na kung paano magbasa ng pera ng Vietnam. I mean kung paano i-compute ganyan. But tutorial.
What's this one? Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Cause somewhere in the crowd there's you. Dong 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 dong.
Somewhere in the crowd.
So, medyo unti lang yung na-film namin na ganap sa Vietnam. So, kwento ko na yung iba. Bago ako ulit mag-shopping, medyo nag-away kami sa apartment doon. This ako kasi I wanted to clear my mind, ganyan, and to shop. So, umalis din siya kasi nagagawa pala siya ng bouquet of flowers sa parang Dangwa Market doon. So, it was like, she bought bouquet of roses. Mas mahal kasi kapag kabouquet na or what. Dinitour niya yung isa-isa. I find it cute. Sobrang cute.
I love the Smiths. I said I love the Smiths. You protected me like
She looks a lot like me, buzzing in the club like a crazy bee. I'm like,
So, lumipat kami ng Airbnb. Here's the room tour vibes. Look at that view. Sobrang ganda as fucky. Char. And then, this is the hallway. Papunta sa CR vibes. And boom, may pa-bathtub pa sis. Go. Nung nag-lunch kami, nabanggit ko kay Aska na medyo malungkot ako kasi hindi mo ako nakantahan ng happy birthday kaya I feel like hindi ko masyadong na-feel na birthday ko. And then nung nag-dinner na kami, CR muna ako saglit. Paglabas ko, boom, happy birthday. Kinausap ni Aska isang staff doon, nakantahan ako ng happy birthday. Tapos sinabi niya pala sa lahat ng mga katropa vibes niya doon sa restaurant. Roll VTR.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Naiyak ka naman. Cute ka na.
Roll BTR, okay. Sobrang cute talaga. Like, naiyak ako na like, what do you mean? What do you mean? I really appreciated it. It's so cute. It was so cute.
Coffee!
Isa pa.
Ayoko na.
Isa pa.
Ala, coffee!
With my bestie like everything fun. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy.
And then I did a quick shoot for H2B mode vibes. Like, look at that. Who is that girl?
Fa, 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 fa.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning.
So I'm quitting my job tomorrow. I'm quitting my job tomorrow.
So day 4, nag-shopping ulit kami and Eska did a shoot for Objof. Roll VTR, pati yung Pikas. Boom. Pagkatapos namin ng Objof, natapos kami mga 4 p.m., 5 p.m. Kailangan na namin bumalik sa District 1 kasi kailangan namin bumalik ng Maleta kasi we feel like sobrang overloaded kami. Like hindi na kasya yung pinamili namin, mga damit na nakuha namin. Pagdating sa city, punta kami sa Bentan Market. Nagtanong kami dun sa hi, where can we get luggages? Ganyan-ganyan. Puro kami dun sa babae, dun sa loob ng Keme. Tapos parang pinapakita niyang price. Mahal. Like carry-on luggage lang to. Sobrang mahal, sis. It was like 2,000 ata yung una niyang presyo. So I was like, no. Parang she asked me kung magkano yung price. Oh, this is the price. Keme. Hagel-hagel vibes dun, sis. Like, pwede 50 na lang, te. Sorry. Doon niya ibaba, ang pinakamababa niya nasa, I don't know, basta mahal pa rin for a carry-on luggage. Sabi namin, oh, we're just gonna smoke outside kasi mag-iosing nga muna kami, tapos mag-search muna kami sa TikTok kung saan bibili ng mura, ganyan. Tapos inaway niya ako, sis, sabi niya, sabi mo kukunin mo na to. Sabi mo kukunin mo na to sa ganitong presyo, binigay ko sa inyo ng keme. You said keme. Boom. Tapos sabi ko, we're just gonna smoke, we're gonna come back. Babalik talaga dapat kami. Sabi niya bigla, are you a boy or a girl? Hashtag clock tayo dun, Bes. Are you a boy or a girl? Go. Umalis na lang talaga kami, sis. Tapos nakahanap kami dun sa like, may street dun na paggabi, parang, alam mo, naglalabas ng mga maleta sa daan. So doon kami bumili. We got it for like 700 each. Tapos carry-on luggage. Cute naman siya. Roll
Daddy is a
VTR.
state of mind.
Boom. Tapos kumain kami we got to experience the culture. Mga ganun. Kami sa street, like as in sa street. So, seafood. Here's the photos. We got shrimp. Sobrang sarap ng mga seafood, girl. Like, as in. So, yun. After that, we came home. So, inayos namin yung gamit namin. Mind you guys, our Airbnb is on the 6th floor. Luggage pala namin. 2 luggage, 20 kg, tig 20. Tapos, meron pa kaming dalang tig isang carry-on luggage. So, bakla, binaba ko talaga yung isa-isa. Kasi sobrang bigat talaga. Boosh. Amen. Awa. 6th floor, pababa. Fuck. Bigat nito. Tapos ayun, nagpunta na kaming airport. Tapos umuwi na. Yung Vietnam trip, it was so fun. I had so much fun. Overall, I really enjoyed getting out of the country for vacation. It was also my first ever international trip. And I feel like babalik ulit ako. Babalik ulit kami ng Vietnam. I appreciate Aska. It was more fun kasi she was there. That's it. Thank you for watching. Char.